for and the date here 22nd of December 2023. Na akaka krabi na Christmas no cry ya sha se dada. Na former Kumasi Asante Kotoko player likely so be returning to the club no. And the message about Bontin, a message out there about Bontin. To be real honest, many ball message no so I'm saying no. Asema Safiu no. I was say me twa na me blog ma ye nyina na ye di tu ye hofo because Safiu be wura no man ye nyina I was say boy ho ban na ye nyina ye sehia e wo ahoodin mu asomdwem. Enti through the festive season, you know, ye nyina ye ensure say ye guide ye ho na ya boy ho ban na ye bibia wo say ye ye wi ase na ye wo no ade ba ko nie. Never forget about where you are coming from and never forget where you want to get to, and always make sure that your self-awareness button is on. Safiu Muhammad in sama all canon very important and no one say festive season ye pie kohane e ba Abdul Fataw utmuzo a guy so dressing on the screen so no and na all chemu say this particular festive season no so be pie akwensa o drink no oh sorry no afa or say please be careful this holiday. Carry your drink with you even if you go to pee. Or say please be careful this holiday. Carry your drink with you even you go to pee. Fake love out there. Nature say and for 4 yenye say no tufu say man festive season sa wokɔ dwonso kra o drink no fa ɛkɔ enya ne ho because nipa omuti wachi no bibia betimasi ebetimi ne bibia atum ɛma ne titiri ɛmɛma no nso titiri ɛna o hashtag say a fake love out there. Nipa ne omo kɔba nyina no wo de onim say ye do but e bia no be a plot about you. Enti we no ensaid am fa sports so sa but a futu a ye nyina no ye de kaka ye ho because Christmas ne chance na at least ye betena se ye besi nkonya abochefo amutie me house parties ni ade ye besu abochefo ye wo down nti mo be kai bronya ne mo di a na momo no matwa bi atuma maye momo no nsu na ye nsu krodade ye wo Ghana ye mfa nchele kakra mo Ghana nso mo ye nhia ne ye nchele. This weekend Kotoko'S Great Olympics koso e wo Baba Yara Sports Stadium. No, Kotoko'S RTU a home game for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But the most important thing Safiu asem no yemfa mbo ikotoku ne yembo ye ho ban self awareness bottom always be on.